Hi, this lesson is carrying on with multiplication. Remember in the previous lesson about multiplication we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 10 times table. In this lesson we're going to carry on and do 6, 7, 8, 9, 11 and 12 times tables. So let's look at 6 times tables. So we start with exactly where we left off the last time, which is 1 times 6. So 1 times 6 is 6, because remember 1 times anything is the same number. So here we've got 6 boxes. We take it 1 times. Yeah, 1 times. So we get 1 times 6, which is equal to 6. Now if I remove this box, you can see the rest of the 6 times tables. So 2 times 6, so this was number 2, 2 times 6 is equal to 6 plus 6, right? Because we got 6 boxes, we're taking it 2 times, it's equal to 12. In the same way, 3 times 6, and I've helped you with counting the numbers again, so you can see the numbers over here. This was 1 times 6, 2 times 6, 3 times 6 is 18, 4 times 6, which is 24, 5 times 6, if you take 6 boxes 5 times, you get 30, 6 times 6 is 36, 7 times 6 is 42, 8 times 6 is 48, 9 times 6 is 54, 10 times 6, remember our 10 times table is just 6 and you add a 0 to it, so you get 10 times 6 is 60, 11 times 6 is 66, and 12 times 6 is 72. One other thing to remember from our previous lesson on multiplication, the difference every time you take another number is, so 1 times 6 and 2 times 6, the difference is 6, right? You add 6 to 12, you get 3 times 6. You add 6 to 18, you get 4 times 6. So the difference is always 6. So that rule is going to be the same. Let's take a look at the 7 times table. It's exactly the same idea. 1 times 7 is 7. Add 7 to 14, you get 2 times 7, which is 14. Add 7 to 14, you get 3 times 7, which is 21. And here you can see the same numbers. So this is 1 times 7, 2 times 7 is 14, 3 times 7 is 21, 4 times 7 is 28. Just to remind you again, that's the same as adding 7 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that gives you 28. 5 times 7 is 35, 6 times 7 is 42, 7 times 7 is 49, 8 times 7 is 56, 9 times 7 is 63, 10 times 7, again, remember the trick of the 10 times table, you take 7 and add 0, you get 10 times 7, which is 70, 11 times 7 is 77, 12 times 7 is 84. Likewise, in the same way, 8 times table, 1 times 8 is 8, 2 times 8 is 16, and again the difference here is 8. Add 8 to 16, you get 3 times 8, which is 24. Add another 8 to 24, and you get 4 times 8 is 32, 5 times 8 is 40, 6 times 8 is 48, 7 times 8 is 56, 8 times 8 is 64, 9 times 8 is 72, 10 times 8 is 80. So again, it's that 8, add the 0, you get 10 times 8, which is 80, 11 times 8 is 88, 12 times 8 is 96. And in the same way, we just carry on, we do the 9 times table. 1 times 9 is 9, 2 times 9 is 18, 3 times 9 is 27, 4 times 9 is 36, 5 times 9 is 45, 6 times 9 is 54, 7 times 9 is 63, 8 times 9 is 72, 9 times 9 is 81, 10 times 9, same idea, take 9 and add a 0, is 90, 11 times 9 is 99, and 12 times 9 is 108. Again, we've helped you with these boxes. It's going to be 9 boxes across there to do the 9 times table, and then this is the number of times we're taking it. So this is 1 times 9, 2 times 9, 3 times 9, and so on, all the way down to 12 times 9. And the 11 times table is exactly the same, except now we've got 11 boxes across the top over here. We've got 11 boxes across the top. Oops. And 1 times 11, I haven't shown you the 11 plus 11, but I think you understand that now. So 1 times 11 is 11. 2 times 11, which is the same as 11 plus 11, remember? So you're taking 11 2 times, you get 22. 3 times 11 is 33, 4 times 11, 44, 5 times 11, 55, and so on. Now, what is interesting about the 11 times table is, let's just tidy this up a bit. The 11 times table is that whatever the number is you're multiplying by 11, it's just the same number repeated, right? So look at this, just notice. 1 times 11 is 1 and 1, 2 times 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77. So this is another very easy times table to remember. You have to just remember that 10 times 11 is 11 add a 0, right? 11 add a 0, you get 10 times 11. 11 times 11, because we're going to add 11 to 110, gets you 121. Just got to remember that. And then add another 11 to that. So this was another 11. Add another 11 to that. Gets you to 132. So the same principles of incrementing it by the number that you're multiplying applies to the 11 times table or any times table. So it'll be the same idea for the 12 times table. Again, this time now we've got 12 boxes across the top. We take the same boxes 1 times, you get 12. You take the same 12 boxes 2 times, you get 24. 3 times you get 36. 4 times 12 is 48. 5 times 12 is 60. 6 times 12 is 72. 7 times 12 is 84. 8 times 12 is 96. 9 times 12 is 108. 10 times 12, the same idea, take 12, add 0. You get 10 times 12. 11 times 12 is 132. 12 times 12 is 144. Now the best way to remember these is two ways really. One, you've just got to learn these as much as you can by heart and just put it down to your memory, put it into your memory. And the second way is just practice the next set of exercises. If you practice, you will eventually get the pattern of your multiplication tables. Meanwhile, these videos are available to you. You can view them any number of times you want to. You can download them again and again. You can check the answers back to the times table. We will put the slides and the videos on the website so you can take a look at that any number of times that you want to make sure that you fully understand and remember your up to 12 times table. Okay, good luck with the next set of exercises, and see you next